Hello, my name is Jackson Swoboda. I am a junior zoology major, and for my picture and ecologist project, I am going to be talking about Lyudmila Trut. So let's get into it. So who is Lyudmila Trut? So she is a Russian geneticist, ethologist, and evolutionist. Ethology is the study of behavior in animals that are not humans. So people like Jane Goodall, other sort of animal researchers, those are a lot of ethologists. Her main focus, and the reason that she is famous in some cases, is she has done a lot of research on the domestication of silver foxes. So while some people have tried to study why wolves evolved into dogs and how we domesticated them, people are also trying to do a similar experiment in Russia where they try to domesticate foxes. Growing up, she had her education at the Moscow State University. She was a biology major, very similar to a lot of people in this class. She later received a Candidate of Sciences and a Doctor of Sciences from the Institute of Cytology and Genetics. So, a Candidate of Science is very similar to a PhD in America. It's very comparable. Um, so overall, she had a very well-renowned research and very good background education. So what was her impact? So her research in foxes, it was special because it was kind of determining that you could breed out domestication in animals. So the way that this experiment worked was that as generations of foxes came through this experiment, they would selectively choose the quote unquote tamest foxes to breed, and they would only allow those ones to breed. So they would find the two tamest foxes in the first generation, allow them to have a litter, and within the next generation, they would find the two tamest of those, and so on and so on. This experiment has been happening since 1959, and it's been continuing since then, so it's been close to 90 years that this has been going on. And this has led to a lot of research of how can behavior be linked to genetics, which, like we've talked about in class, delves into phenotypic plasticity. Um, and in that, we can see a lot of behavior start to emerge, especially in ecology and other environments. So, why do I care about this? So, I'm obviously a zoology major. Like I said, animals are a very special interest to me. I've loved them for all of my life, especially animal behavior, especially domesticated animals. I think that the idea of living alongside other organisms that are aware of us in a way more than just the bacteria living in our gut, but domesticated animals are really important to me. I love pets. I love eating food, which is another part of domestication. Things like horses, cows, pigs, etc., farm animals. They're also very important for our life on this earth. Um, this is a picture of my miniature Schnauzer, Mimsy. I love her very much. But if one day we could domesticate foxes and have pet foxes, I think that having a pet fox alongside her would be absolutely lovely. Foxes are some of my favorite animals, and I would love for them to continue to be domesticated over time, and hopefully one day we could all have pet foxes. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.